Yo, what's up everybody? I'm working on my 2017 C63. I'm doing an oil change. To do this job, you're gonna need an 8mm, 13mm, and 24mm. 24mm is gonna be for the oil filter. That's gonna be tightened down at 22 Newton meters, pound-feet of torque. The 8 is for the rear splash guard, and you're gonna do that second. The first thing you're actually gonna do is the first is a 13mm. It's kind of like an it's like a skid plate. That's the way it is. It's a skid plate, so you gotta undo that first. Then undo the back one. Then the oil filter and plug are going to be over here. The plug, actually, it's like a coin slot, if you will. And you can actually, you have to look, you have to have visual because it clicks into place. Those are kind of expensive, so most people reuse them, but you need to visually inspect it. And by kind of expensive, I mean like $15 retail, maybe $5 wholesale. Right here. Okay, there's the oil plug. All right, so now we've done the oil change. There's one last thing left. We gotta reset the computer. All right, so for this, we're gonna hit the OK button at the same time as the telephone button when our key is on position 2. And then we're just gonna hold that until